Hello students, welcome to the class of 5. Let's continue the chapter shapes and angles. Let's move on to the page number 28. Here shapes and towers. Look for triangles in the pictures below. So here pictures are given. So the triangle are used in the towers and bridges so as to make them strong. We know that a triangle is the strongest polygon out of all the other polygons. The angles can got change in other polygons. However, in a triangle, the angles cannot change once the triangle is built. So here triangles are used in this tower and bridge. Now from the activity changing shapes, can you guess why triangle are used in these towers, bridges, etc.? So we have done this activity changing shapes in previous lecture. So can you guess why triangle are used in these towers, bridges, etc.? So we can write the answer. A triangular shape is strong and does not change easily when pressed. So they are used in towers, bridges, etc. Now question is, look around and find out more places where triangles are used. So we can write the answer here. Triangulars can be found in roofs, buildings, giant wheel, satellite, ladder, stadium hall, electric poles, etc. Do you know by angles you can also read time? So let's move on. Here angle and time. So this is Jinnat and this is her friend. She asked to her, Jinnat, your watch does not have digits. How do you read time? So Jinnat replied, I just see the angles. See, when the hands make a right angle, I know it is 9 o'clock. See here, this is angle, right angle. And when the hands make a right angle, she knows it is 9 o'clock. In this way, other time also she can know. She can read other time also. Now, question is, there are many times in a day when the hands of a clock make a right angle. Now you draw some more. So the answer may vary from student to student based on his or her experience. The answer provided here is for reference only. These times the hands of a clock make a right angle. See here, 9:30, 3 o'clock, 6:15. Let's move on to the next question given here. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands at these times. Also write the time. Here we have to write the time and what kind of angle is made by the hands. So here time is 7:25, that means 25 minutes past 7 o'clock, and here space between two hands is less than 90 degree, so it is less than a right angle. Then second one, here time is 8:15. Here space between these two hands is more than 90 degree. So it is more than a right angle. Then here the time is 9:10, that means 10 minutes past 9 o'clock. Here space between these two hands is more than 90 degree. So it is more than a right angle. Then here the time is 9:25, that means 25 minutes past 9 o'clock, and here space between these two hands is more than 90 degree. So it is more than a right angle. Here the time is 10 o'clock, and here space between these two hands is less than 90 degree, so it is less than a right angle. Let's move on to the next question. Draw the hands of the clock when they make an angle which is less than a right angle. Also write the time. So here I have drawn the hands of the clock when they make an angle which is less than right angle, and also I have written the time. So first one is, this is 9:35. time is 9:35 and the angle made by these two hand is less than a right angle, then time is 2 o'clock, and here the time which is the angle which is made by these two hands is less than a right angle, then 3:05 and the time is 3:05 and the angle made by these two hands is less than a right angle. Answer of metric puzzles are given here. Let's move on to the page number 30. Here degree clock. Here this Appu and Kittu, they both are playing carom board. Appu hit this striker and Kittu is thinking, it comes back at the same angle. So children, you should also try this at your home. Let's move on to the next question. Here in the picture 3 points A, B and C are shown. Here A, B and C are shown. Draw a line to show from which point Kittu should hit to get the queen. As we have seen in the previous paragraph, Kittu thought it comes back at the same angle. So here we have to draw the same angle to get the queen. So the same angle can be drawn by the A point. So answer is Kittu should hit from point A to get the queen. If you want, you can measure the angle in degrees using a degree clock. Degree is written as this sign. Let's move on to the page number 31. Here one activity is given, making a degree clock. This degree clock is used to measure angles. So follow this all steps. Instructions. First one is cut a circle out of paper. So this type of paper, you should cut a circle out of paper. Then second one, fold it into half. So fold this circle from the middle into half. Then third step, fold it once again into a quarter. Now fold from here. Fold it once again from here. If you fold, you will get like this shape. Then fold it once more. Now again fold it. Then fifth step, open the paper. You will see lines like this. Now open this folded paper. You have folded 3 times here. And then now open this folded paper. You will see lines like this as shown here. Now sixth step, now mark 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree as shown here. You mark here 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree. Then paste it on an old card. So this was simple paper. Now you should paste it on an old card. Now from the center draw one hand as shown here. Draw one hand from the center. Then ninth one, make a red hand with a thick paper and fix it to the center with a drawing pin so that it is free to move. So now make a red hand with a thick paper and fix it to the here center with a drawing pin so that it is free to move. Your degree clock is ready now. So use your degree clock to measure the right angle of your pencil box. So dash is the measure of the right angle. So now measure the right angle of your pencil box. What is the measurement of that angle? That you should write here. So answer is 90 degree. 90 degree is the measure of the right angle. Now can you guess how many degree is the angle which is? Here 3 questions are here. Half of a right angle. That means right angle is of 90 degree. Here 90 degree is called right angle. So half of 90 is equal to 45. If you divide 90 by 2, you will get 45. So 45 is the answer, 45 degree. Then 1/3 of a right angle. That means 90 divided by 3, you will get 30. So 30 degree, 1/3 of a right angle is 30 degree. 2 times of a right angle, that means double of right angle. Right angle is of 90 degree. So 90 into 2 is equal to 180. So 180 degree. Now measure the angle from where Kittu should hit the striker on page 30. So already drawn a line there. So we can write here answer, and if you measure, it will be of 30 degree. Thank you and have a nice day.